Since I have get the what surfer cannot learn with Surfskate done, might as well I straight away do what a surfer can learn from surfskating. Okay, the first one will be pump a board. I actually do not understand what is the exact word for that. Just accelerate the board, make the board speed up by putting the weight onto where the board is moving to. So basically, it's a kind of pump. There is a lot of type of pumps. The front, the back. You can use the back legs to push on the kick tails and then to accelerate the board. You can also, if there's a down slope, put more of the weight onto the front of the surf skates to make it faster. Before you do a top or bottom turn. So it's quite similar to surfing on this sand. Once you get used to it, when you go surfing, you found that the pumping board. So in surfing, because it's water, so you can basically push the board down. That's a real pumping. When you do a lot of surf skate, and you get to learn a lot of pumping style, when you go to the surfboard, it actually will make you easier to understand how to accelerate the board. Okay. The second will be with the moving force. Meaning that, you surf skate, you can do anytime you like. You can just go to a bowl, a wall, a flat land, a slope, and then just go. And after some time, you found that get very used to the moving, what they call force, and your body. Very easy for you to centralize your weights, along with the board. Means that you always have control of the inertia. Okay, the timing of the moving inertia. Of course, when you go to surfing, sometimes it's a bit different because the wave changes, the condition changes as well. But again, your body, will learn other things as well, throughout your surf skates journey. The third one will be getting used to slope, especially on bow. You are so used to slope that when you are riding a wave, a slope is basically just something your body will respond to naturally when you do a lot of surf skate. One for sure. Okay, and then the fourth one will be your hand, your waist, and your leg movement alignment. When you do a maneuver, you will, for example, a slide. It is actually quite similar to surf skate, except for it is not on the same power or the same timing. Means that a surfboard is different size. The speed is very different when the board is moving towards a certain curve or if there's any wind or other factor. Okay, but the movement is almost the same. When you want to slide a board, when you want to pop a board, when you want to basically air a board, when you go to an edge of the bowl and you want to just do the off lips, it's quite similar. The only difference is the power and also the timing. So that one you can adjust to it when you are in the sea, right? And the fifth one for sure is the balancing. You will get better balancing if you tune your your surf skates lighter. So it's not very stable, but your body will eventually get used to it. If you can do that in high speed when you go to surfing, well, then it will be easy. So go to watch my last video, what a surfer can't learn with Surfskate. Okay, and then find other things to compensate it, because as I said, we don't have so many opportunities to surf, but you can do surf skates almost every day. So for sure, it will help in big parts of surfing as well. But it's not everything. No, you can't fix everything with surf skate. Practice more, and thank you.